Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video we're going to be showing you the OnePlus Warp 30 car charger. That's a really long name. Maybe even a wrong name. However, yes, this is one of the videos I'm sure a lot of people don't aren't exactly looking for. But that's kind of the idea of the video, because a lot of people aren't exactly looking for this video. It means that the very few that are looking for this video will actually appreciate this video a lot. So I don't know if you guys have ever experienced, looking for an item that's not so common. I'm not really saying this is not so common, but looking for an item that's not so common and hoping you can find a couple of videos on them. I know I've been in that position before, so hopefully this video sometime will help somebody find this. Yeah, of course we have the OnePlus Warp 30 car charger, and essentially, yes, of course, it's a car charger. It's a Warp 30 car charger. That's the new OnePlus charging technology, I guess. That came with the McLaren 60, I think, but this one, really, I got this one for the OnePlus 7 Pro. And on the back here we have some things written here. Of course, OnePlus Warp 30 car charger, graphite, US, I guess that's the color. And coming even closer, we can see there input volt 4.5 amps, Warp output 5 volts, 6 amps max. That's a lot. Wow. I'm sure that's not going to kill your car battery. Yeah, output, standard output, like for any other phone or using any other cable, I guess you're gonna get just 2 amps, which is not bad by any stretch. But yes, that's what it is. So we're going to quickly unbox this and try to show you guys what it looks like inside. Oh, never said so. That's the message. Let's just keep this here somehow. That's the message, OnePlus. So always trying to pass across. Never said so. And it looks so nice. Looks really nice. Just going to support out here too. Okay. So here is it. Warp charge was written there, so tiny. Warp charge 30. Let me see if the camera will get this. Warp charge 30, and then all the things which are on the box are written on it somewhere here too, I guess. On here, red inside. Yeah, OnePlus. Something that red. Nothing around back. But yeah, of course, traditional pins to plug into your car. I don't know, whatever that port is called in your car, where you have the heat lighter for the cigarettes or whatever. Yeah, I guess it's a DC volt thingy. I have no idea. Yeah, we have, oh wow, that's a pretty long cable. I was expecting something shorter, but this is really nice. They put a full cable. It's also as thick as regular OnePlus cables in here, but yeah, a full cable here. And guys, I'm going to actually test this out in my car. It's late now, tomorrow, and I'll try and add that to the video, so I'll show you guys how well it works, maybe compared to the regular Warp charger, but I'm guessing it should be about the same thing. We have some kind of literature in here, but you can't really argue with OnePlus's accents and their little red touches and stuff. But yeah, some user manual here. That's what it is in the box. So guys, so I'm here in the car trying to complete the other part of this video, of course, reviewing the OnePlus car charger, Warp 30 car charger actually. And I want to apologize for how this video is going to come out. Maybe, I don't know, focusing is hard because it's manually focus with one hand and try to connect the things with the other hand, so it's actually quite hard. But yeah, let's try and get it done. I have one here in the power outlet already. This one from Spigen. You guys have seen my previous videos, you know I like Spigen a lot. I use a lot of their items. Power outlet, 12 volts, 180 watts max. So we're just going to pop this out real quick and put it into the power outlet. Oh, that lit up really nice. You guys can see it, but yeah, very nice. That red accenting by OnePlus, as always. I'll drop the camera for a bit here, and I'll just try and connect. I need two hands for this part. Yeah, wow, charge. I hope the camera got that. But yeah, something written here. Okay, so yeah, 6:21 p.m. 32%, and I'll leave that for a while. I'm not going to use the phone at all. I have my iPad here to keep me company, so I'll not die of boredom. But yeah, by the way, the car is a 2014 Honda Accord EXL, for anybody that cares to know, I guess. And we'll see how far that goes. So 6 watts, 21 p.m, 32%, and we'll leave that for a while, and after some time, I guess we'll check back again. So guys, it's been 10 minutes. I've been keeping myself occupied with this Tank Wars game. Maybe you guys check it out. It's quite nice. It's on Android, but surely it is on iOS. So now we have 51%, and it's been 10 minutes. So I guess that's about 2% a minute. I have to check that, but yes, 10 minutes. We have 51%, and we'll check back after under 10 minutes. So back to my game. 20 minutes now, and it's actually getting dark. Let me reduce this iPad. It's making a noise. And it's actually getting dark, but we're going to check. I have it at 66%. Come on, focus, okay? 66% after 20 minutes, so that's moving along fine, I guess. You know, after 50-60%, the charging actually starts to slow down. It doesn't charge as quickly as it charges from 0 to 50, I guess, or 60. So yeah, it's already 67, so that's how fast this thing is. But yeah, we have some nice charge animation here also. Again, apologies for the focusing. It's on auto, and yeah, it's terrible. So yeah, probably we'll try for 30 minutes, I guess. So back to my game. 30 minutes now. It's getting really dark outside. It's almost 7 p.m. and yeah, just going to quickly check. My lights are already on. Check on that, and we have 80%. Oh, that's just fantastic. So after 30 minutes of charging, we have 80% warp charge using the Warp 30 car charge, and I think we started from around 81% or so. So, and as I said earlier, it's going to charge slower towards after 50%, 60 thereabouts. So understandable, but yeah, Warp charge works fine, or rather Warp 30 car charge works fine, and that's it from the car, guys. I can't go inside because it's getting cold also. I guess I should just kind of end the video in the car. So I've been charging for 30 minutes thereabouts. Said that I've checked these numbers, but I think say that around 6:11 or so, or 6:21. Yes, likely 6:21 because 30 minutes, and we're at 31 or 32% battery life at the time. and now after 30 minutes, well, just over 30 minutes, we have 82%. Yeah, highly recommend it. It's quite pricey, to be honest. I don't know why a car charger should cost around $50, but I guess if you wake up in the morning and you're rushing out, you don't have time to even plug your phone and your battery is low, you know you can get in your car and wherever you're driving to, as long as it's not like a 2 minutes drive or something, you can get your phone charged up pretty quickly, and that's great. This is a very, very good alternative. This works great also, and has the Qualcomm quick charge. Highly recommend it. And guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.